What's going on, everyone? I'm Preston over at Easy Auto Spa. I'm at our Duluth location. We've got a fun one in the shop today. This is a Porsche GT3 RS, modern day track car, but this one's gonna be a daily driver too for our client. He chose to have us install a little bit of paint protection film on it. The dealership had already installed some, but he wanted to protect some other areas that weren't included with the package he got over there, so we knocked that out for him. Got the windows tinted, put some SunTech window tint on the windshield as well as the front two doors for it, just to add some privacy, reduce some heat since it's a ceramic film, add some comfort to his ride. We also ceramic coated this bad boy. Ceramic coating is going to add some really good dirt and water repellency, making it easy to clean and maintain this lizard green paint job, as well as the paint protection film that's on top of it, and allow for that gloss to stay present, keep this thing looking new as long as possible. If you have a GT3 RS or any car that you feel would be a good candidate for paint protection film to prevent stone chips, ceramic coating to preserve gloss, window tint to add comfort and privacy, feel free to reach out. Our contact info is in the description below. We're happy to chat with you, go over our options, even have you by the shop for a consult. We're here Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5. Give us a call, shoot us a text, come by the shop. Happy to chat with you, see what we can do for preserving the look of your ride.